Are the apps are all of them mad is there, you know?
Maybe you know connect with the stick we have. You see that press start.
No, I'm press start with my one, you know. So me know.
Maybe you have to download it.
It have the app but something.
Are the apps me run through. Anyhow, welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big Super there, a fourth.
Lethal. Paper, Big Super know St.Thomas, so he might see some words, some place where you have to help him out with it. Yeah.
Yeah, man, me there. Up a Lethal fort. To me, I just see the two communities are basically the same thing, you know.
The Lethal, yeah, 4.2 fort, Lethal main road.
Yeah, let's say Lethal fort, you know.
Alright.
Up on the main road, people. And we have video go back to Morant, baby. We just look on the roadway, you know, because a long time we don't really, you know, take a drive through. We see how far the road work reach, you know. Because we see some ongoing work taking place, but you know, no finish up yet. And then we hear some whispering where they must say them are going to take on the second that phase at the port, man. You hear that whispering there, clarity?
Yeah, we moved it.
You're not ready yet. I hope them done the first one though before them take on the second one. Yeah, man.
You know, you see me go,
look up, this is the camera lean. You see it? It lean, you know?
You see me go Golden Grove.
Yeah.
I see them a patch out figure on the Martha River side and the man.
Yeah.
They all about 6 inches deep.
Yeah.
And the man them put about 5.5 inches of a malt in a hole them. And they put a half inch of black tar on it. Black something on it. But I joking thing that man you. By a queen that mash up.
Yeah.
Yeah man. Joking thing that
Yeah. Them need to do the thing with a more professional.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get a more professional outlook, you know.
I know that.
So we got the Clarity Flex mobile, people. Big Super and Clarity there. And we are past village right now with almost at the intersection. Almost at the intersection.
Blue intersection. This make you a map of St.Thomas.
Yeah. But they almost a Blue Maho.
Yeah, Blue Maho now, man.
Yeah, right at the cane man always. At the cane thing, you know. And thing. I'm up on the road there. And I right there, so the road work start. Remember? I right stop. The whole phase of it on a piece of road there. Yeah.
Then so come put on second layer from what you chase on about it not ready yet.
The road not ready. You can't put on second layer on something not ready yet.
So they want to try to correct some problem first.
Yeah, because them
and then problem half you correct. I tell them on.
Yeah. Yeah, some gully and some drain and some focus bag of problem there way. Yeah. But we know the Clarity Flex mobile. I test out them on new apps for my gimbal. I don't know somehow the phone will look level to me people. I don't know if the gimbal and the Bluetooth now work efficiently or what, I don't know. But you can't steer.
Are you unnervous?
Yeah, I'm unnervous. I don't know what go on people. Sometimes when you get some new stuff to test out, and them things they always happen. Watch them vehicle we drive out. Yeah. So we watch up on the long level with the out from the Beverly Hills stretch at St.Thomas. Clarity, I never hear you say that yet. Yeah. They up on the Beverly Hills stretch. So they go to that side of the people which part them do some work.
I'm in Prospect and it's Morant there now.
Yeah. See the other side and dig down most of the mountain. Most of the mountain over the left side there. Dig down.
Green retreat.
Yeah. And see the people we can show you some most of the mountain where them up on the side.
Yeah, two down the scheme now.
Them dig it down.
The one where the school sign there?
See the people. And see the great triple R the people. Triple R there. Right out on the stretcher. So we out on the main road people. And we are do the drive. We are do the drive people. in a clarity flex. See the excavator there. So,
when I come up on the road,
excavator, see the people where they dig out the road, where they got the drain, where they got the drain system. Yeah. So,
no, wait, when we turn up and down the speed, right?
Yeah. Remember everything where has a cut?
And go up, alright.
Yeah. So clarity flex, I talk to one of them friend them. Yeah man. So we're up on the road people and right us on, right us on the road. State border. For the longest while. So all of them something I have to go really finish up clarity before them can.
Boy, I don't like where I go on because at least they should have come out and patch out some area before the back to school. I know so I call them about it, you know.
Yeah.
I call them and say,
yeah.
Ask them to come here.
Yeah. I should call?
I call them and make them come sort out it because trust me man, you can't continue the way you start, believe me.
Yeah.
What's the more? Fun.
Yeah, maybe was so. They in the Clarity Flex mobile and we look on the roadway. Morning. We look on the road condition. From Leith Hall from Leith Hall to Morant Bay. We look on the roadway for go back in, you know. How far it reach? If it reach anywhere, you know.
How far it not reach?
How far it not reach? 4 years now.
But it's fisherman, the ocean not kill a fisherman.
Yeah, I'm a virgin too, you know. Yeah, I'm around for shoot fish. Yeah, man.
Fish and sea shoot, you know.
Yeah.
Turn off somebody.
Yeah, man. What clarity?
Gonna get a rest for that. Gonna get a rest.
Yeah.
And see if it's not.
I don't know, anyhow, me there.
No, but we're trying to some stuff. Start the stamp?
Yeah, man. I want to tell you something too. The quality look even better than the apps.
Yeah, better man to face look dark.
No, man, I tell you the quality.
No, it's really dark. It can't dark.
Me will know because when we put the two of them on the something there,
you will see.
me will see it and know. Clarity is straight. I'll throw me in the car and I straight. And I say, you know, straight.
What part you want to go to town? Alright, like that. Watch it, but you can't get it.
You can't get rid of that.
Yeah, man.
But when we on the way up here, so. Where they what? Upper retreat? They did the middle retreat. What that bridge name again, Clarity? Johnson River Bridge.
Johnson River?
One time you mention one name like that. Remember Johnson River run through it, you know. And come from Johnson Town and come down.
But you know Johnson Town, you said Johnson River,
the bridge.
You know Johnson, I said Johnson River Road, I said Johnson.
Look at my phone at him, you see it?
Then you have to adjust it too much. So it thing.
The phone at tilt in the gimbal.
So you know, so the something that Johnson never work with it.
Eh?
You never work with Johnson the same way.
Yeah, but me can't unstraighten it. You have to leave it, make it tilt.
No man, so this never work with it.
You don't touch it, not touch it. Yeah, no, but I saw me at that out.
So you have to say your hand movements, you know.
Yeah, you know, get where me I say, no.
You get where I say, no. But the hand movements, my time. Yes, I mean, the wrist.
Yeah, people on the road there.
Don't
Like,
come scratch me. Don't come
yeah.
scratch me. If you scratch me, I can't win, you know. We'll be live.
A piece of road where them dig up back right here. Right out of Jerk Center now. Yeah, but remember the Chinese them bring that red dirt thing that come out here, you know. And then bring it come out here, you know. And it turn out clear.
It work, but it don't work in a press good. Because if you take notice, they use it out of Pamphlet and stuff too now.
Yeah.
You understand me? I'm not no problem with the Pamphlet yet, well, yeah, sure. Yeah. It's just that you know, press the right way.
Okay.
Come back. Oh yeah.
I know, but the gimbal look like that embarrass me.
Because I when I make like some my youth. If I fall in I make like.
That's alright, man. You get it from a level.
So you monitor thing better, yo.
Yeah, monitor the road.
You fighting, you know? Anything I fight, you know?
But me I try to tell you, the screen tilt to one side.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I'm a minor tell me that I does. It's level and me think
and
it's
as
level.
I tell you, it's all the thing. If you grip it like so, it's rotate it on like this, and get on like slant or something to my time.
I know people
You
me there.
soon get used to it still.
Me there right out at the post office and license. Heading towards the Princess Margaret Hospital. And me and Clarity flexing at the mobile. And also when we in here, we always have to argue.
Never come to one agreement.
Yes, me and him never see nothing eye to eye yet at all. Yes, I say one big unit here come. So I don't know if some work will go on out there. Okay. But you know such clarity, you know so them don't know so when you carry them big unit then you have something escorted. Yeah, you always have something escorted. So you see?
Fight is something on it's tough fighting.
Me I try to get the weight over here so. Me I try to get, you see now? We just start to get it level, you know. Watch him.
See them time on.
This morning with the gimbal, you know, clarity. If I the heat gone tonight, you know. Margaret Hospital. Yeah. And we are head toward Dumfries.
Morant Bay, but I go to Dumfries.
Okay, right.
Nice road.
Right to Morant Bay, but we have to go through Dumfries. You know.
We not go to Dumfries, man.
So, we are past Dumfries crossing.
Yeah.
It's
Dumfries.
the phone tilt.
Yeah, I mean I tell us something all on if all thing like so you can easily come to
no, it never used to tilt. Yeah. So people the gimbal I give me some problem to show you know, the levelness of the road, but me still I try to work with it. Because things I start with, I have to find out what the issue. Why it behave that way there. Find out what the issue, why it behave that way there.
Alright, cool. We go.
Yeah. Find out the issue, why it behave that way there. And viewers and so. You know, if the gimbal never get no tea this morning.
So why can't blame yourself, you blame it. You control it, man. Don't blame your friend, man. Blame you, man.
I get tea this morning, I know the gimbal get it.
Oh yeah, mind that thing out. Don't blame it, sir.
I don't know what the problem. Yeah, I try to send that. I don't want to send that out, you know.
I'm going to tell her, suppose you will like aunt and everything about a lot to do with it. But then I hear me now, listen to me and say, you know.
Yeah, me use it to know cable, so I kind of used to, I kind of understand how it works. Just now center, I don't know how to take this morning. I don't know what the times are hot.
And at time.
So I take it out of the center now. It'll move the camera two side. Yeah, maybe you also mean at the Clarity Flex mobile.
And we are war. Them a war gimbal and I give my man a problem. Look on that. See it? Yeah, the problem you blame the gimbal man youth. Yeah, the problem. Don't blame it, man.
You have the phone in our gimbal I try to focus on the road, and I don't know the phone they all over the place. The gimbal supposed to hold the phone firm. Yeah, the phone firm, but it does have the phone all over the place. But we are going to do things same way. And I'm going to see the result of the road.
And the result of the gimbal.
And the result of the gimbal from what, Leith Hall to Morant there. So we just come through Black Door, or past Black Door.
Yeah. You know what they call it, Black Door?
Through the door block.
Alright, that's right. Yeah man.
Through the door block. And we are coming around Falcon Crest.
You know what they call it, Falcon Crest corner?
You don't know, Mr.
To the building. Oh, this
To the
it
building.
was original Spencer corner.
Oh.
There was a Spencer to live on it, right, so?
Yeah.
On the left hand side with some truck, right?
Yeah.
So you don't know the history of them place, you know.
The people were there, right out of Butty, funeral home. So Butty there. And we're up on the street. We're up on the street and we are head to Morant Bay. Yeah man. We are head to Morant Bay, people.
What is it? I
don't remember what name, but I know one.
Yeah, catch me the lessons.
But I know say
What?
one dancer place that is over there.
It was Chef Restaurant.
But I see the Virgin.
Yeah, Chef.
I see the Virgin and sell it.
Yeah.
You see
It
where
was
they
Chef, right?
Yeah.
And the Club Shine. That was Club
Shine, yeah.
Club Shine, right. Maybe I said my history book here, sir.
Yeah man, I
Or
remember that.
history book.
You want to teach,
So
you
you know it's my place and
Yeah, but you also teach history at school, don't it?
We do history at school,
You know, teach it too.
social studies.
So people, my camera they all over the place, but we're big super. Come here, it towards Morant Bay town, people.
Why call it go down for your left side? Why call it?
It has something to do with some harbour thing.
I don't know, Harbour Man.
Or wharf.
Wharf, right.
Yeah, wharf.
Alright.
That's the street. You know, so me not be there. Be a police around that side of the people.
I'm a policeman.
Yeah.
Look again.
Look, you know, see a virgin around there, I mean?
Look again. 2 police running, man.
2 police around there.
Mr. Brown around there.
Okay. You know, see a virgin around there? Henry. Yeah, man. So we are drive that side there. Go straight up in the bay.
Where call it road where they put now?
You know, I don't know the name of the road. I don't remember it.
Miramar Road.
Mirror.
So Ibery, sir.
Ibery.
Yeah.
I can't remember the name of the road too tough, you know.
Give you a map of the place, my youth.
Yeah, I can't remember the name of the road like that, people. Yeah, man. So we enter the town now.
St.Thomas.
Morant Bay. Beautiful Morant
Let's get
Bay.
through there, sir. Let's get through anything here, sir.
Yeah. The clarity there, people. Right on, so we are going in the block. Yeah, we're on a one way. And we are going down in the taxi stand. William Street, don't it?
Oak Road.
Oak Road.
So it's in the Oak
Okay,
Road.
Oak Road. And the next one round is William Street. Yeah, you know.
So we go Oak Road now.
And the right down at the taxi stand, people.
So we're here.
So people,
tour.
we see the taxi stand to the Portland bus them there.
But we want to show people now is that the place there bad.
Yeah, right,
I'm
that's
looking for the police will dig out. Look on it.
Right, you know, so people.
Right.
Actually, so the vehicle drop down.
Now, bash down body, but it's a talk out stay.
Yeah, it's still
And look
one
at the
way.
condition out untidy. Look.
Yeah. Still one way, alive.
You understand? Yeah, man.
Need to fix up.
Yeah, man.
Also need to fix up, man. And get better.
Basically, this is a main road, but it turned to the taxi.
Yeah, because this is a road. It's not really a taxi stand. And just
Right,
block
so-
off 2 sides of it and call it
So
taxi
try and
stand.
show them out there over with Eastern transport set up.
Yeah. People. So people, hope you enjoy the little drive out
And
From-
driving.
from Leith Hall. Hope you enjoy it, people. Big super saying to you guys, peace out.